In this support video, we will be preparing the range hood model 53337 for installation. It is recommended that the vent system be installed before the range hood. Included in the kit is the unit, along with the filters, the duct vent, the clamp, screws, and the installation manual. Measure and cut the opening at the bottom of the cabinet according to these dimensions. For the 30-inch model, the air outlet is pre-installed on the unit. For the 36, 48, and 60-inch models, the air outlet adapter needs to be removed. Simply remove the screws securing the faceplate. Flip the range hood to place and align the air outlet adapter over the range hood and fasten with the supplied screws. Install the duct and tightly fasten with the duct clamp. The minimum mounting height between the range top to the range hood should be at least 30 inches. The ideal height is 36 inches. This completes the installation setup.